Assalamu alaikum. I'm Boni. I want to share the course outline, building and securing your cybersecurity home lab. At first, I want to discuss course description, like that. What is this? What is our learning purpose? Like that. This course is designed to guide to thought process, sitting up to securing on cybersecurity lab. At first, when you study cybersecurity, at first you know the cybersecurity lab. So we will learn essentially skill and gain hand to experience with various cybersecurity tool and concept and better understanding and defend against the cybersecurity threat. At first, a person requires some prerequisite for cybersecurity skill, like that. Firstly, basic computer skill. When you this course, but you have to need some computer skill, like that. Hardwiring, like that, basic operating system and navigation management, file management, and command mode etc. Then second, network fundamental. It's must be essential and understanding the basic networking concept, like the IP address, subnetting protocol, netmask gateway. I think it will be help you many security concept, anything. Familiar you Windows and Linux operating system. I working the Linux and Windows based operating system, so that's why you knowing Windows and Linux operating system hardware knowledge, like that. How to utilize how to manage your hardware, like that, hardware requirement. That security awareness, it's a practical purpose, where you not mandatory, having a basic understanding of the cybersecurity concept, and there will be provided solid fundamental this course outline. Access to the required hardware and software, ensuring you have to access the necessary hardware, computer and software, VMware workstation. I working the VMware workstation, setting my home lab. Then it's mandatory. So thank you for the prerequisite video.